What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, bringing you guys another video. I'm here with Maz.
What up, guys?
What's up? What's up? So unfortunately, last night we ran into a little bit of an issue with your F30 335I.
Yep, it was a little bummer.
We had to get it towed last night back home. Kind of sucked. Thankfully, I know what the issue is because a friend of ours, Amen, also has a YouTube channel. He literally ran into the same problem and he has a whole video about it. So shout out to Amen, came in clutch. We know how to do everything now, thankfully. But yeah, let me show you guys that little issue we're talking about. Alright guys, so we had a coolant hose line break.
You just decided to go...
It literally just broke off.
Yeah.
So it's supposed to be connected right here. And yeah, it just snapped off. Coolant squirted everywhere on the car. But thankfully, we actually went to Bmw today. And yes sir, we got the part today. Thankfully they had some in stock. And what's that noise?
I don't know, just a car.
But thankfully they had some in stock. We didn't really feel like ordering it online just because it would take like a week to come in. And yeah,
I can't really wait that long.
Yeah,
I have work, I have too many things to do.
Yeah, so we paid the BMW tax today.
Definitely did.
But
I think it was well worth it.
It's worth it, bro. It's worth it. So we got the new coolant hose, if that's what it's called, and now we're gonna go pick up some coolant. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there.
Alright guys, so right now me and Noah are heading to American Oil and Auto Supply. If you didn't know, that's actually my dad's shop, and we're practically going to steal some coolant from him right now. Isn't that right?
Bro, he always hooks it up on coolant or oil for me.
Hey, I just snatch it, bro. Just write it on the invoice, Moaz took. But we should be good, guys. And if you guys are actually ever in the OC area, you guys should go hit him up. Actually, he's in Garden Grove area. Just say Moaz or Noah sent you, and automatic discount for you guys. You already know. And yeah, we'll see you guys there. Hello, sir. Going right to the coolant section at the moment. Okay. I don't want to get my Jordans dirty. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Oh my god. Yo! Honestly, I don't know what committed me to get up. Bro.
We're about to fall.
I know, look.
The camera. Bro, what are you doing?
Got the coolant, bro.
What's this? Oh, shoot. Okay. This the coolant?
I didn't expect. Yeah, that one.
Yes, sir. All right. Get down.
Can I just jump?
No, be careful, bro. Go down slowly.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, there we go.
Here's your coolant, man. Oh. Yes, sir.
Got the coolant.
There we go.
What happened? I can't take it?
No, you have to pay $20.
Hi guys, he's not letting me take it. Can you guys Venmo me, please?
We take credit card.
You take credit card?
Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Have a good day, though.
Bye, yalla.
We're good to go. So basically, we just got back. As you can see, it's really dark.
Yeah, bro.
That's what laziness does.
Bro, we went to like 4 different stores for distilled water. But anyways, guys, so this is the culprit over here. Okay. Yeah. We basically just pulled this off of the reservoir tank, and all we gotta do is unclip this. And
yeah, don't worry about the other side.
Yeah,
this one gave us hell and back.
Yeah.
Fell through the engine bay, and here, look.
Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah,
I would break it, but I'm just too lazy. Right
but yeah, guys, so we have the new part over here. So yeah, all we gotta do is install this. It should be easy.
Wait, hold up. Relax.
What?
The other one I was being aggressive with. This one, gotta be gentle.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, so we got this side in. Now all we gotta do is the next side. This side should be a little bit easier.
Oh no, there's no should be. It's gonna be. That side was like a very weird position. There, look. In beautifully.
That's it?
Perfectly.
Bro, it should have that much wiggle room?
I mean, yeah, I guess.
You sure?
Yeah. It's not.
Okay. Alright, now all we gotta do is put the distilled water and the coolant in to make it a 50-50 mix.
Exactly. Now we're just gonna have to do some mixing, boys.
Be careful.
Wow,
you're
wow,
dropping
wow.
all over the place, man. We found out this is actually 50-50, so we should be good. We don't need. We bought distilled water for no reason.
I can't see where I'm.
All right, guys. So we're in the car now. Thank God, the car's temperature isn't going past 250. It's right where it usually is at. How do you feel, man? You missed your car? Oh yeah. Bro, I'm just happy it was an easy fix, to be honest. That's all I care about.
Like look, I'm gonna be straight up.
We had like a field trip today, bro.
Let me talk to the camera real quick. I missed my E36. So when this thing kind of broke, I was mad, don't get me wrong. It's like a car I take from A to B, yeah. But it's like, it just kind of gave me E36 flashbacks. For real?
Bro, your E36 was broken all the time.
I know.
We had to like push start it.
Oh yeah, we've had our stories.
We had some fun in that car. Anyways, I'm just glad it's fixed. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see, and peace out. See ya. Basically, guys, we thought it was all fixed, and now we have a new problem.
The screw broke. It snapped in half. Oh, we're good.
Oh man. I told you not to mess with the screw, bro.
I had to bleed the system, guys, but wow. Look at that.
And it happened right when we got home.
BMW plastic at its finest. Literally, once we got here, it just bah, it blew. It's fine though.
Let's go before they close.
Yep.
You think parts is open right now? Maybe.
No, remember last time you were talking to them like around 6 something.
I think they closed at 7 or 7:30.
Call him. Hi guys, so as you can see, it's a completely different month. Me and Noah haven't been on YouTube for a very long time. During this video, my car broke down, but literally, we have not finished this video yet. But we are back. My car is working perfectly fine.
Yeah, so basically, when I went to edit the video, so I just finished editing it, and I realized there isn't really an ending clip, and I didn't update you guys on what happened with the car. So what happened exactly?
What ended up happening was that Moaz actually rage quit really bad. So what happened was, when that little bleeding screw fell off, half of it cracked inside and the rest blew out. So we were stuck in a sticky situation.
It was stuck. We basically like had to like drill out the remaining parts, and then it fell into the reservoir tank. Yep. And yeah, basically.
And then that's not even the best part. When it fell in, I was like, all right, whatever. I'll put a new bleeding screw on. I got an aluminum one. I was like, I'll put a new aluminum bleeding screw on, and I'll take it to a shop and get the whole system bled. But you know, I'm very smart, so I ended up drilling a little too much, and I stripped the whole reservoir thing. So
yeah, he stripped the whole reservoir tank, like the part where you put the bleeding screw in, and
so then I needed a new reservoir.
So we got a new reservoir tank in there, but finally, obviously the car is running. You just heard it start. We got a check engine light though.
Evap leak, you know, it is a BMW. At the end of the day, we can't ask for that much, but she's running beautifully, obviously.
Yeah, so a little evap leak, but hey, at least the car is driving. So
exactly. Let me show them what.
Yeah, let's show you guys the new reservoir tank real quick. The aftermath, you can see all the coolant still everywhere. We still haven't cleaned everything. We've both been super busy with work and just life in general. But finally, we got it. New reservoir tank. We put a aluminum bleeding screw on there.
So this one shouldn't crack in half.
But yeah, so hopefully. You know that cheap BMW plastic, we had to put aluminum on it just so we don't go through the same issue in the future. Hopefully. We got the new coolant hose in, car is running smoothly. He's been driving it for a whole month now, so hopefully everything is good. Yeah. Only thing wrong with this car is it has a evap leak. So once that's done, we should be golden. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see. And yeah,
little teaser
for the next video. Peace out.